All right, I'm going to show a very interesting use case I found recently. So in Hong Kong, and I'm going to identify the one that have a very bad website, and I'm going to classify those websites whether or not they have a modern design or very old school. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Google Map. I'm going to type schools in Hong Kong. So it'll take a few seconds to scrape all the schools in Hong Kong. All right, so most of them have a website, and next step is I want to take a screenshot of the landing page. So we have a web page screenshot taker. So we'll just need to take the website, screenshot will take full, and then we add that. So what this tool is doing is basically visiting each website, taking a screenshot and saving it. So we're gonna run that. Okay, so this is one example. That's another one. Let's try another example. That's another example. And basically the whole point of doing this exercise is we kind of want to identify companies, schools that have a very bad website or very weird looking design. And based on that, or we can analyze whether or not they might need some help. So if you're a web design agency, you can actually the website and engage with the one that actually seems to be needing help. So once I have this, I just pass the screenshots to my vision model, and the instructions for my vision model is please analyze this website design, be as descriptive as possible. I want to determine if the school is old school or not, and whether or not they need some help. Modernize the design of their website. All right, and then I'll just run that. Okay, so we have some more website. Lack of mobile responsiveness, outdated design element, limited interactivity, limited information, blah, blah, blah. That is pretty cool. So we have a full analysis, the design of the website made by this hero image, typography, color scheme. That's pretty comprehensive. Wow. Go back to my, I need to work. Okay, great. So I still have 56 to go. How many schools I have in total? 76 schools. Okay, I have a few websites missing, but most schools have a website. We've got reviews. By the way, while we're doing that, we can also to get the answer. Okay, this one is very expensive. The Chinese school, yeah, international school, yeah, Chinese international school. It's a well-known one. Okay, I don't have the price for the tuition fees for all of them. If it's not public, then it's hard to get. But now what I want is I want to only get a list of bad design. And so what I'll do is I'll get my categorizing tool here, and I will say bad design, good design, and not applicable. When no information available, overall satisfying. Let's say overall good design, no help needed. A lot of help is needed. And then I'll just pass the output from the vision model. We basically analyze the design with the screenshot, and I add this. And I just run that, and you will see that we'll get very nice bad design, good design, bad design. And what I can do is I can actually add a filter where I only want to see, I only want to see the bad design. And so what happened now is as we run all those screenshots on those websites of those schools, we can actually see which one has bad design. And let's try a few. Yeah, bad design. Yeah, bad design. Yeah, not very good design indeed. Yeah, very bad design indeed. And so I can now, if I'm a web designer, I can approach those companies and schools and tell them, hey, I check your website, I think you need help.